This video is provided for informational purposes only. The contents of this video cannot substitute for proper training under and implementation of industry standards applicable to servicing and testing of electrical equipment. You must carefully review and follow OSHA, NFPA, and other regulatory requirements, equipment manufacturer's instructions, and your company's safety procedures when conducting any testing or servicing of electrical equipment. The demonstrations in this presentation were performed by trained professionals in a controlled environment. Do not attempt to induce an arc fault, arc flash, or any other condition that could potentially damage electrical test tools or equipment, or otherwise create any increased risk of personal injury.
It's important that test instruments and other electrical test tools are independently evaluated to make sure they can survive high voltage transients. It is essential to understand that standards bodies such as ANSI and IEC are not responsible for enforcing their standards. It is possible that some test instruments available today will not meet the IEC 61010 standard the manufacturer claims. That's why it's essential that the test instrument you use is labeled to show that it has been certified by at least one independent testing laboratory. To meet the demands of today's high-energy, high-hazard workplace, quality manufacturers like Fluke have With stout input protection, our test instruments are built to survive. A special test machine is used to generate the overvoltage transient and fault current as defined by national and international standards. In this short trial, we have programmed our test machine here at Fluke Labs to increase the transient voltage in steps until the test instrument fails. 6,000 volts, 9,000 volts, 12,000 volts, 15,000 volts. This test instrument finally failed at about 17.9 kilovolts, more than double the minimum of 8 kilovolts. In a Cat 3 or a Cat 4 environment when connected to the mains, the arc would be fueled with thousands of amps. The resulting arc flash could cause serious damage to people and equipment. Here's what happened at Fluke Labs when an off-the-shelf meter marked Cat 4 600 volt is hit with 8,000 volts of transient energy. It failed at only 2.62 kilovolts. While you can't totally eliminate the dangers of working with electricity, with careful planning and applying what you've learned here today, you can reduce them. On behalf of everyone at Fluke Corporation, thank you for watching.